Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to use Writesonic. Write blog post in minutes. Let's start. When you're on the main dashboard of Writesonic, click on the Articles and Blogs section. Under this section, it has its newest feature, which is the AI Article Writer version 5.0 and 4.0. Let's try this version 5.0. In here, in the left side, is where we put the title of our blog or article. We could also search article if we want. We could also add a reference link. Let's try this website. And we could also upload reference files in PDF file. After filling this out, click on Next. Here, we could add more reference data for our blog or article. Click on Generate Article. We could choose here depending on the number of words that it could generate. Let's wait for a few moments as Writesonic generate our article. So, it's finished already. We could generate link here. Download it in MS Word, PDF, and HTML format. And also, we could export this in 3 different formats. For now, let's try to download this in PDF file. Comparing ChatGPT and Writesonic is difficult because they cater to different needs. If you want conversations and dynamic interactions, ChatGPT is suitable because it is designed for natural conversations, answering questions, and interactive discussions. It's open-ended and excels in exploring ideas. For content creation, Writesonic is better because it is focused on generating written content like articles and blogs. The choice depends on your requirements. If you need both conversation and content generation, using both tools might be a good approach. The choice depends on your requirements. If you need both conversation and content generation, using both tools might be a good approach. And that's a wrap for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can catch our upcoming videos. Take care and see you next time. Goodbye!